Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to reset your Reddit password, right? Head over to your Reddit mobile application here on the top right, click on your profile icon, then just go to my profile. Once you're here, you will not find any option. So of course you have to just go to the setting, and once you're here, just go to the account setting, and here once it get here, just click on add password, because in your account it will show that change password. In mine it is giving option of add password because I had login with my Google account, you can see. That's why. So if I just click on add password, then I will just get a link to my email address. So I will just go, and here it is. So I will just click on Reddit password reset and just wait for a few seconds till it get open, and here I will click on reset password. It will redirect to me here. I will select the account, for whichever account I want to create a new password. I can just type the new password here. Once I do it, that's it. So this is how you can just reset your Reddit password. It's very easy to use, and if you found this video very useful, make sure to like this video, subscribe.